In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change rule line color. This is a simple tweak in OneNote that can make your notes easier to read, more organized, and better matched to your theme or lighting. Maybe you're working in dark mode and the default lines feel too faint, or you want a higher contrast color for projecting in a classroom. Adjusting the rule line color takes just a moment and gives your pages a cleaner, more comfortable look. With OneNote open and the page you want to format in front of you, head to the top of the window and find the View tab. The View tab is where OneNote groups page appearance controls, and it's where you manage things like rulers, page width, and in this case, your rule lines. Click View to bring those options into focus. Next, click Rule Lines. This opens the menu that controls how lines appear on your page. From here, select Rule Line Color. That will display a palette of available colors designed to stand out clearly against your page background. Go ahead and choose the color that best fits your needs. As soon as you select a color, OneNote applies it to the current page so you can immediately see how your text sits on the new lines. If your goal is readability, pick a color with enough contrast against your page background. Darker lines tend to work better on light pages, while softer or lighter lines can feel less intrusive if you prefer a minimalist look. If you're taking math or design notes and use grid lines, the same color choice applies there too, helping diagrams stay neat without overpowering your content. Keep in mind that this setting typically applies to the page you're on, which is helpful if you like to color code different sections or subjects. If you ever want to switch colors again, just return to View, open Rule Lines, and choose Rule Line Color to make another selection. It's the same quick path every time. If you don't see the Rule Line Color option, make sure you're using a current version of OneNote. The interface can look slightly different across OneNote for Windows, Mac, or the web, but you're still looking for the View tab and the Rule Lines menu. Updating the app usually restores any missing appearance controls. That's all there is to it. By choosing a rule line color that supports your workflow, you'll make your notes cleaner, more legible, and more personal, without changing anything about your content. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your OneNote pages.